Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Yaramel and I love showing you alternative ways to get dressed and look stylish. Today I'm bringing you my third video in this series of how to tie a piece of fabric into some cute tops. I know you guys enjoy these videos and that's why I'm bringing you another one. So before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yes, please click the bell ring too. Thank you! So today I'll be using this beautiful golden mustard fabric. It's a jersey material that's very stretchy. I got 1 yard of the fabric, split it into half and joined the two pieces together to make a very long one. And this is what I'm going to be using to create 6 very cute tops. So for style number 1, I'm gonna start by placing each side of the fabric above my shoulders like so, and I'm going to grab 2 pieces of each side of the fabric. I'm gonna give a small knot behind my neck that I'm going to try to hide by folding the knot inwards. After that, I'm just going to adjust the top, stretch it to above my shoulders so it can look even better. And this is it, the first top. Really easy to make. And this is how it looks at the back. For styling, I'm just going to show you guys the bottoms with which I plan to pair each style. I thought this first top would go really well with my suede mini skirt, and then I could easily throw in a basket bag or a crossbody bag. I could also wear heels or sneakers. So for style number 2, I'm going to start by placing a piece of fabric above my right shoulder, and then I'm going to pull it down a little bit so it's not so long at my back. So I'm gonna have the extra fabric on my right hand a bit longer, and then I'm going to take this long part on my right side and wrap it around my chest area. I'm gonna make it quite tight and I'm gonna go around twice. Once I have a nice short length, I'm just going to tie the 2 excess fabrics together. And this is how this top looks. Pretty cool, pretty casual, easy, and I like it a lot. For styling, I decided to go a bit more to the chic side, pairing it with my cigarette trousers, a black belt, and black sunnies. I could have also easily added black heels, a black clutch, and it would look really nice as well. For style number 3, I'm going to start the exact way I started the previous one, putting the fabric at my back. I'm going to wrap the fabric I have on the right side onto my left boob, and I'm going to wrap the fabric I have on my left arm above my right shoulder, as you can see here. Now this alone would be a very cool top, but I need to make something more secure, unfortunately. I'm going to adjust the fabric that goes over my left boob. And then I'm going to grab all the excess fabric that was hanging at the bottom, wrap it around my waist until I have just enough to tie with the excess fabric coming from the shoulder. So I'm gonna end up with this kind of a big knot, which is not very wearable, but I mean, if you can find a way to make this wearable, by all means guys, be my guest. I think to a beach party, it really wouldn't be a problem to wear something like this. So yeah, I decided to pair this one with a maxi skirt, going for a more boho theme. I can see myself wearing this outfit to a beach party or a sunset party with some flat sandals, maxi earrings. This is the perfect end of the day outfit. For style number 4, I'm going to start with the stitching on my back, and I'm just going to gather both sides of the fabric, grab my hair tie, and loop it 3 times until it's tight enough. Alright, after looping, I'm just going to adjust it onto my chest, and I'm going to measure what's almost my full arm length. I'm going to pitch the upper part of both sides of the fabric and tie them together behind my neck. Now all I have to do is just place the fabric on my shoulders like so. And as you can see, it looks so cute. This is definitely my favorite top out of all. I love the drape detailing. This is how it looks at the back. And you can also drape one shoulder down, so you actually have two tops in one. And I absolutely love this top. For styling, I decided to go with my high-waisted wide leg pants. I think it's the perfect thing to wear with this top that is extra cropped. And this outfit, I could totally use it on a date night or something because it looks so elegant. If I had a clothing line, this would be in it, I promise. But I'm glad that it's something easy that you guys can also recreate at home. Lastly, style number 5, we are going to do almost the same thing we did for style number 4. I'm just using the fabric to tie 2 knots onto my chest. After that, I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did for the last top, which is grab almost my arm's length, pinch the upper sides of the fabric, and tie a knot behind my neck. After that, all I do is have to adjust. I drape the right side of the fabric over my shoulder. I'm also going to hide the knot at the back so it looks a bit more believable. And I really like this top. I can also grab the left side and put it over my shoulder, so again you have 2 tops in one. And for styling, I went with the same vibe as I did for the previous one because these tops are pretty similar. I changed my earrings to a pair that's a bit more glamorous because I think it goes with the top even better. I could easily throw in heels, a clutch bag, and literally be ready to slay a date night. So that's it, guys. These were the 5 styles I created in front of my mirror and I decided to share with you. Let me know which one of these styles is your favorite, which ones will you be trying out. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because I'm bringing more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next one.